Wala raw pasok according sa Proclamation number 839 na ilalabas ngayon ng Malacanang Palace. Pag-usapan natin yan. Pero bago yan, intro muna tayo. Konti lang. Ngayong araw nga ay naglabas ang Malacanang Palace ng Proclamation number 839 declaring Tuesday, April 1, 2025 a regular holiday throughout the country in observance of Eid al-Fitr, Feast of Ramadan. Ito po ay base sa Republic Act No. 9177, amending Section 26, Chapter 7, Book 1 of Executive Order No. 292, declared Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Fitr as a regular holiday throughout the country. In order to bring the religious and cultural significance of Eid al-Fitr to the fore of national consciousness and to allow the entire Filipino nation to join their Muslim brothers and sisters in peace and harmony in the observance and celebration of Eid al-Fitr, in it necessary to declare April 1, 2025, Tuesday, a regular holiday throughout the country. So, yun nga po, no? Klarong-klaro dito sa inilabas na Proclamation number 839 ng Malacanang Palace na holiday nga po sa April 1, 2025. Maraming salamat po.